So once you started creating a number of interactive videos, how do you actually get access to those reports and analytics and find out exactly what people have been engaging with on your content? Well, if you click on the homepage dashboard within HapYak, you'll see over here an orange View Reports. Simply select that and it will take you to the analytics dashboard. Over here on the left hand side, you've got a range of dates. Now obviously you can change that by just today's, last 7 days, last 30 days, or you can input your own custom range. Let's go for 30 days to give us a good example of what people are engaging with over the last month or so. Okay, so these figures here, I wouldn't really pay too much attention to these figures. There's probably users out there that find these really useful. However, I want to break it down for you guys. You can be the judge of whether you find this useful or not. So over on the right hand side, 2,864 annotation views. Annotation views are simply the number of annotations that have appeared on screen when somebody's watching a video. So obviously this is set over 30 days and across all the projects that I've created, and across all those video projects we've had 2,864 annotation views that have appeared. But what that means to you as an analytics user, I'm not sure. Potentially that's great, but for me it doesn't really mean anything. Video plays is kind of more useful. How many videos have been played in the last month that are interactive? 114 is good. Activity, this number seems quite high, and it usually does. Activity is simply the number of annotations that have been viewed over a set period of time, so that's 30 days, divided by the number of annotations that people have actually engaged with. So if you've had 1,000 annotations that have been engaged with by users, it would be 2,864 divided by 1,000, and then that would give you your activity score. Like I said, I don't really see the benefit of this, but it is there for people that find it useful. Let me know if you think of a user case where that's really beneficial, because I'm not quite sold on that, but that's there if you need it. What you can do, and what's a little bit more useful, is to actually break it down in terms of the functionality you've embedded in your interactive videos. So over here on links, you can see how many people have actually viewed that annotation versus the interactions, and on what date, and across all the videos that you've created. And now you can separate you can actually select one of the videos that you've created individually, or you can do it across all your projects. Chapters, exact same story. How many views have people engaged with the content on any given day in the last 30 days versus the number of actions that have been taken. And questions. So if you started to embed quizzing within your videos, this is where you can start getting information around what questions and answers people have been given. And then breaking it down into an individual video, for instance, you can then start looking at the correct answers versus the incorrect answers over certain questions. So this is one of the videos that we made that happened to be in French, that's why it's in French here, and it gives you the number of responses and how many were correct over the course of each question. So that's a good visual clue on where people have been answering and engaging with quizzing. If you want to break that down into an individual user and find out what their grade is, over here on the right is gradebook. As it is, none of our videos are integrated with our LMS. So we have an LMS that we roll out called Fuse, and all our interactive videos are hosted within the LMS. Once we've got the LMS and interactive video connected up, we can actually connect these anonymous users with users on an LMS. So if you're using an LMS, you can embed an interactive video within your LMS and then pull that user information here and drill down exactly what that user's been answering and on what level and what they got right and what they wrote. I'll cover in a separate video integration with HubSpot and some of the other tools out there to actually get more information around analytics within your interactive video content. But this is the kind of information you can get straight out of the box with HapYak. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, then absolutely fire them away in the comment box below. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.